Fantastic investment opportunity in charming Elmira. Over 23,000 square feet of commercial space with ample parking and an attractive exterior. Hi everyone, I'm Cy Williams with Rego Realty. "10 Church Street West is currently tenanted with a pharmacy, fitness facility, and medical imaging office. And throughout the building, there's plenty of space waiting to house multiple ventures, including this vast upper level. Post and beam construction provides a blank canvas for investors, entrepreneurs, tech startups, and more. The basement with ample ceiling height also provides wide open space to be developed. Located in downtown Elmira, this property has the charm of small town, but is minutes from the heart of Canadian technology and innovation. Waterloo and downtown Kitchener are easily accessible. To tour this incredible investment opportunity in person, give us a call. I'm Cy Williams with Rego Realty.